How to convert other coins to USDT on Binance. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to convert other coins to USDT on Binance. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Binance app on your device. Make sure that you log into your account. Head towards the profile icon at top left corner or the Binance like symbol icon at top left. Then you will reach on this section. You have to scroll down and tap more services. Now scroll down and from the straight section select convert option. Once you access convert section, you need to select the from coin. You need to select any coin that you want to convert to USDT, for example BNB. And once done, you need to tap to and select USDT. And once you have done that, enter the amount and specify how much of the coin you want to convert, for example 5 BNB. Then after that, you need to select the trade option or simply tap on convert to complete the transaction. Repeat this process for any coin you want to convert to USDT. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Feel free to reach out for collaborations, and thanks for watching and stay safe.